Hi everyone, welcome to the final day of the Handshake Profile Challenge. Thank you so much for participating in this and congratulations for making it to the end of the week. We know that you are doing this on top of your classes and work and family and everything else that you are juggling, so we really appreciate you taking the time to participate in this event and learn a little bit more about Handshake with us. So I just want to wrap up today and reiterate the mission of Handshake once again is to make sure that all college students have access to incredible career opportunities no matter where you want to go or what background you have or what school you attend. So I certainly hope that you have learned something valuable through this video series and that you will take advantage of Handshake. I also want to point out that you continue to have access to Handshake even as a JCC alum. So if you enter the workforce or if you transfer to another school, you can still access Handshake. You will just continue to log in with your current credentials, or if you transfer to a new school, you will just convert your account to your new school's email address so that your information is up to date for recruiters. And then again, as time goes on, you just want to make sure that you periodically update your profile and update your career interests. At the end of every semester is a great rule of thumb, so that way it stays current and consistent, and the most relevant recruiters and career opportunities can be recommended to you, and you can find them as well. So today, to wrap up, I also want to just show you two more Handshake resources that you have access to as a JCC student, and you're actually going to find those right here on the main JCC page. So you can get to our career services page by typing it into the search bar or under student experience. We live right under there. So from our page, if you click on career preparation, in the middle of the page, there's an entire Handshake section. You can log into Handshake right from here. You can be taken directly to the events that are going on in Handshake, as well as webinars that Handshake is hosting exclusively for students. But I want to point out these two tabs here. So first up is a Handshake Help Center. So if you are having trouble with anything, this is just a way for you to troubleshoot and hopefully get a resolution. It's broken it down into different categories that you might be having some issues with. So if you do run into anything, if you click on the category that most fits the issue, there's a whole bunch of different options that you will be able to select from. And you can just click on that and it will be an article, often with screenshots, that will walk you through whatever it is you need to do to fix that. Next, I also want to show you the Handshake blog. So this is an incredible tool that you always have access to. And on here, there are recordings of webinars and different events that have happened, as well as a lot of articles on pretty much any career-related topic that you could think of. So they have interviewing tips, they have articles on how to land a remote job, they have articles on different career opportunities and career titles and what it means to have jobs in certain industries and certain titles. You can see top employers who are hiring on Handshake, you can get interviewing tips, you can learn about life after college, moving to different cities and relocating, finding internships, all kinds of different things. So today we would like you just to spend a couple of minutes browsing through the blog and then reading any article that piques your interest, just to kind of see what it has to say, and hopefully you will gain some good information. I have no doubt that you will. So today, in addition to that, we also would like you to finish your profile if you have not done that yet. On Monday, we will be selecting and contacting the winner of our gift card. So please just make sure that your profile is completed by Monday. And then in your email today, you also got a very brief survey. So we hope that you will share your thoughts on how this event was for you, and any feedback that you may have, so that we may continue to plan events like this for other students and hopefully improve them. So just last but not least, we do hope that you will reach out to us here in Career Services. We can help you not just with Handshake, but of course, anything related to your career. The biggest things that we do is help you explore career industries, confirm your career interests, and gain experience through hands-on ways, whether that be jobs or internships or job shadowing or a workplace tour, all different kinds of things. We can connect with you virtually or in person. We are based in the Jamestown campus. We're right across from the Student Union, and you can make appointments with us directly through Starfish, or you can feel free to email us. So once again, thank you so much for participating in this event, and we hope that we will talk to you soon.